Here's the elephant.
Everyone, please proceed your helmets here. Don't worry, they're trained at seven sides. You can also adjust them from behind by turning the knob to the right. Okay?
Yo, yunong lagay ko construction ng Tagana. Pag-helmet yun. Awa. Allergic ko ba ba? Kaya mo na nakakalbo na ko. Limita ni.
Under construction mo gano'n siya.
Lagi. Ang saan eh? 58?
Dakol ba may dakol?
Dakol. Dakulo. Tudante, dakulo. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan. Uy, Pauline! You look nice on it. You look like
You have to work as construction.
you can work in a engineer and construction.
Alright, porak na. Okay, everyone, let's all gather over this side, please. Okay, have a seat first.
Dito may.
And also on that side.
Dito
And
be.
everyone, the helmets, they are for our safety inside the museum, okay? So if you are not comfortable wearing them outside, you can just hold them first, okay? But once we go inside, always wear them since we are installing new artwork. And everyone, by the way, my name is Loisa, but not Antalya. Okay, that's Loisa. Okay, so everyone, our tour will take 45 minutes up to 1 hour inside the museum, but don't worry, after the tour, you'll have your free time until 6 p.m. Okay? So you can take pictures, videos, and do TikTok, whatever. Okay? Whatever, everyone, while I'm telling you a story or explaining something, you can still take pictures and videos, but don't do live streaming. Okay? And if you want to experience authentic Thai cuisine, Rim Cover Restaurant offers that. And on that side, later they will have kalahating tipi. Kalahating mo Ilocana, kalahating Kapampangan. Pero makasabot po akong Bisaya. Pero gamay ra. Okay, so everyone, let's all gather here. Okay. So everyone, our founder, Mr. Lek Tiriapan, already had the design of the museum as a blueprint. So all that's left to do is replicate the blueprint into the actual carving like you're seeing now. So everyone, all the woods here are treated with chemicals so that they will be prevented from termites or die. But the chemicals they use here, it's not harmful for both humans and the nature. And later on, everyone, if you want to try carving. So on that side is a turner machine, so that one is used to turn off the wood inside the hollow. It doesn't feel, but it's not being used anymore since all the hollows are already finished. And they use the filler to create holes in the wood so that the carving will be easier. And everyone on our right side is where you will be able to enjoy our founder's biography. So if you have free time, you can come back here after the tour. And now everyone, this is a private property. Okay, private. So our founder has 3 masterpieces. The first one is the Ancient City Museum, which was built on 1963. The Erawan Museum on 1994. And our very own Sanctuary of Truth Museum, it was built on 1981. So it is 45 years now. And the one in front of us is the actual model of the museum, temporarily to fix or treat the artwork. After it's done, they will this is a wooden pin. Okay, everyone, you say. Okay, for those who need Wi-Fi connection, they have internet. Okay, here. QR code is also here. Scan it first. Okay, you can get inside first. You can take pictures, hold the sculptures, but do not remove them. Actually, po 20 years na lang ginawa bago. Don't worry, you can take pictures. Feel the energy. No, I want you to see how beautiful the pillars right here. So you can stand here, and then you can stand on that position so that you can capture all the pillars as well as the ceiling. Okay? So it will give you a good picture, perfect for Instagram post. And everyone, if you have watched Money Heist, one episode was done here. I think it's the second episode, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so everyone, example, because again, we're still going to roam around. Is that okay? Still going to walk around. Okay. So everyone, the most famous one, Confucius, right? I know you still know Confucius' main philosophy in life, which is the golden rule. Still remember it? Don't do unto others what you don't want others to do unto you. And one more right there is Passion Buhay. So 8 immortals or 8 magicians who uses their magic to travel across the ocean, and it's a symbol of knowing our own duties, knowing how to practice using what we're good at, specializing in a specific area, be endurance, perseverance, and never give up with obstacles until we reach our goals. And right there is Amitabha. So he's the one who helped all living beings to get out of suffering and is a symbol of peace. So these are just some examples of people who brought good things to the world. And we also have one here in Thailand. Before we go there, everyone, that's the balcony. So now you understand when I said sacrifice one of your friends? Because that sacrifice friend will need to choose which way he or he will go down, right side or left side, and then come back up, right? So later, don't go home unless you have your photo taken there. We also have a lot of picture spots here, especially on this area as well again. Okay? Beautiful to take the picture. Include the ceiling. Former King of Thailand. So His Majesty King Phumipol Adunyaa the Great sacrificed all his life to improve the quality of our life. So His Majesty has initiated thousands of development projects in improving the living conditions of his people, such as self-sufficiency, being not greedy, reducing passion, moral sharing of society and conservation to achieve balance in nature, and the importance of the environment. So he also supported all religions equally for over 70 years until now. So these are just examples of people again that brought good things to the world. And their goodness is also what's their life purpose. So everyone, can anyone here share your life purpose? Do you have a life purpose? If you're shy, ma'am, don't worry. You can share it in our guest book later, okay? I'm not forcing everyone, okay? But let me share my life purpose. It's very simple. Spreading kindness to everyone. Yeah, because I'm not rich. I'm just kidding. Right? Because kindness is free. It doesn't cost a thing, right? So small act of kindness can be a great impact on someone's life. Right? Now everyone,
Very
we're
true.
moving to the 5th truth of life. Are you still okay? Are you still
Yeah.
with me? Yes. Tired? Oh, okay. Alright, right? And therefore we hope to be a small part in helping you find your own
through the pillars outside the church. So these are examples of self or stories of self-development. Okay? So everything I'm about to say, you can see them or read them below the columns. So the first one says, people we chose to associate with determines a lot of where we're going in life, which is represented through the sculpture of two men here swarming a man, which gives us a story of a bully that will lead us to do bad things, while the below sculpture is a man holding a Bible, spreading philosophy and knowledge to those people who's sitting around. So it communicates to the graduates who will lead us to become better. Now everyone, let's move on to say. So these are the people who's bringing garlands to pay their respect to the elders here. So everyone here in Thailand, just a trivia, if they want to say sorry or if they respect you, they will give or bring you garlands instead of other things. So that's how deep the meaning of a garland here in Thailand. Just to compare it in our countries, we use garlands for graduation day, right? Okay. And on this corner, everyone, is surround yourself with people who empowers you to become better. So this one is kind of similar to the first and second example, which is, it is who you are associated with, right? So if we have a friend who's positive thinker, we also think in a positive way too. But if we have a friend who is a negative thinker, he or she will influence the others to think in a negative way too, right? So we should always be with a friend who brings out the best in us. Right. Everyone on this side, please. Efficiency is the greatest of all wealth. So this is represented through the sculpture of farmers growing their own food, managing their income and expenses. They're not greedy and they are contented with what they have, and that brings them happiness. So if every one of us lives with sufficiency, we do not hurt others or the nature. And everyone on that side is learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. So it is represented through a man reading a textbook, which is a symbol of curiosity. Let's that does not generate an achievement is a pale and bloodless thing, unworthy of mankind. So this is represented through the sculpture of a group of people who brought their expertise in wood carving to come and prove sculptures for their community, while the others right here who are good in cleaning, helping clean the community, and the other who are good in cooking, preparing snacks for the other. Be careful with your words. Once they're said, they can only be forgiven, not forgotten. So it is represented to the sculpture of a woman who's speaking while the others are listening intently. Let's move a bit closer here, everyone. So everyone, right? Our words can make or break a person, right? Even if they don't mean no harm, if the receiver of the message is very sensitive, he or she will take it the wrong way, right? So let's all be mindful of every word that comes out of our mouth, especially when we are talking or arguing with our loved ones, right? Sometimes, because we're mad, we can say a lot of hurtful words. And then, we kind of regret it afterwards. Because, again, they can forgive you, but they will never ever forget that you said it. Even sometimes you don't mean it, right? So everyone on that, the next one is doing the right thing. Taking care of our elderly parents, even if they did not take care of us. Now that's a sad reality, but it's happening around us, right? So everyone, it is represented to the sculpture of the daughter feeding the father, and the son carrying his mother who cannot walk anymore. So I'm seeing we have youngster here. Even if you have your own family already in the future, which of course will become your priority, just still look out for your parents or other family members. Still try to do not neglect them. That's it, right? Period. Because again, you're not gonna be here if not for them. Okay. Now everyone is a little help, a little hope, and somebody who would believe in them. So these are the represented through the sculpture of parents raising their children with love and care, even if they're becoming annoying. I'm just kidding. Okay. And the other favorite line that I like here is that one. It says that a real life partner accepts our past, supports our present, loves us, and encourages our future. So it is represented through the husband holding his pregnant wife and the wife preparing food for her husband. So for the couples out here, is it only when your partner is going through something that you take care of them? No, right? It should be every day, every hour, every minute. I'm just kidding. It should be always, right? Because again, even if you're fighting or if you have an argument, still don't neglect each other. Try to talk it out because again, everyone, your partner will not know if you're going through something unless you talk it out, right? And for those others, sometimes you hear them but you don't listen, right? Sometimes it's more important that you listen to what they say, not only hear what they say, right? Everyone, it is difficult to wait, but worse to regret. So it's like, try and try until we succeed. I'm just kidding. That one is success without honor is worse than fraud. So everyone, this is an honest occupation that brings goodness for the community. So like the doctor right there, treating the patient. And the next two right there is drug addiction is a special kind of health. It takes over the soul of the addict and breaks the heart of their loved ones. So these are represented through women and children, escaping a group of people who are scheming and intoxicated. Now everyone, let's go on this side. We're almost done. So this is a good example of the later of the teenager, which is a procrastination behavior. When you ask them to do something, they'll say, later, and then they later will turn into never. Procrastination, not a good example. If you can do it now, do it now, right? And on that one, people there who's doing their duties symbolize a self-disciplined behavior. Marami tong natamaan. Okay, this one, everyone.
My kids.
Even if they're rude to you, not because they are kind, but because you are. So it doesn't matter if the person is rude, good, bad, but because you are kind, you treat them equally and fairly, right? So everyone, the next one is give back to the world at least what you have received. So this is represented through a man handing out some of his money to the elderly because he had received help from the elder in the past. And everyone, I also believe that when you receive blessings, they are meant to be shared. Because sometimes those blessings that we receive are really meant to be shared to someone. And then another blessings will come in, right? You will receive more and more as much as you give as well, right? So we're going now to the sixth truth of life. Are you still with me? Still okay? Not tired? Just 5 minutes here, 4 minutes down there, and then 1 minute up there. So 10 minutes in total, okay? So everyone, now on the sixth truth of life, this is, our society is like a two-sided coin. There's always a positive and negative aspects depending on our own behavior and those of others in our community. Now, the inner columns right here, everyone, are the good society. The outer columns are the bad society. So if we understand the sixth truth, we will be more cautious of our own behavior. Everyone, this is the society of selfishness. So as you can see right here, people here have ample of food but they don't share it with those who are starving. And this is kindness, help, and support. So people here are helping each other in harvesting the rice and pushing the cart out of the pit of the water. Now let's move on and pray. So as you can see here, there's a group of people in here harassing and physically attacking those people who cannot fight back. So fight is satisfaction. And on that side is the society of modesty and humility. So it is represented through the sculpture of the group of people here, where very dedicated with one another worship humbly without arrogance. So everyone, as you can see the sculpture here, they're doing the why. Because here in Thailand, if they say sawadi ka, sawadi krap to you, that's just a simple greeting. But if they do the why, like putting their back right here, that means they respect you. So it's just more than a greeting. It's also respect. Okay. Now let's move on this side. So and blocking those people with lesser status. So it is represented through the sculpture that depicts secret. So, maritesing. Okay, on the other side is the Society of Mutual Respect. So everyone, it is represented through the sculpture of people here, respecting everyone, even if they have different status in life. And also everyone, that is also one of the variants of garlands right now. So this is the one that they used to offer on altars and on the temple to sing. So this is that type of garland. Okay? Now because they have different ideas, beliefs, and values. And on this side is listening and accepting with differences. So it is represented to the people here, giving good friendship to everyone, even if they have different races. And on the left side, over here, is the Society of Bias. So everyone, as you can see, there's a beautiful bridge here that was made for the rich people. And the weak bamboo bridge there was for the villagers. And on this side is the Society of Justice. So the old man right there is sharing his property to his children equally. So the meaning of the split is to avoid misunderstanding and jealousy towards each other. Okay. Things without remorse. And on this side is the apology and forgiveness. So the people here are helping those who have drowned in the boat collision accident, and an image of husband and wife here asking forgiveness to the merchant for the trouble they caused. And then the merchant forgave them with a friendly face. Now everyone, let's just follow on this side. Face this way. You can take pictures or your free time, right? So everyone, this is the society without compensation. So this one represents like our life cycle. From when we were born until adulthood, our parents took care of us. But when our parents grow old, sometimes we do not care. And what's worse is hating parents. Now I'm not saying it's you guys. I'm just hoping and praying it's not gonna happen to any of us, right? So everyone, this is the second time that I will tell you, even if you have your own family already, still look out for your family, especially your parents, okay? And this is reciprocity. It's not only giving back to our benefactor, but it is also giving back to the nature. Just like the people here is taking care of the forest and the animals. Everyone on this side is the society without unity, help, and support. So there's space in the community here, everyone, which is represented by the people not helping those who needed help. And on that side is the reconciliation. It is represented with a group of people carrying a large log and a group of people helping each other in building a wooden bridge. So everyone, which society do you want to live in? The good side or the bad side?
Good side.
Of course, the good side. But we cannot change the world. We can only change our girlfriends and boys. Ourselves, right? That is correct. Right? But then, everyone, you should love yourself first. Right? Be Okay, please go in front so you can see the sculpture here. Okay, thank you all so much. I know you are tired. And the tour, kind of boring, no?
No.
That's okay, it's good
Thank you
actually.
so much. Or maybe I am the one who's bored.
No, we're doing it every day, that's why.
Like, I've been doing this for almost 4 months.
4 months only?
Yeah, I'm a new
Doesn't
stuff
look like
here.
it.
I'm new stuff here. Okay, now everyone, do you have any idea what the sculpture is? Wow, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, this is a family because everyone, the 7th truth of life, this is about the beginning of the society, which is the most important part, the family institution. Now, everyone, the family is the first institution that nurture us and our soul. Family is the principle of values, beliefs, characters you are bringing. And what kind of person we grow up to depends entirely on our family. Now, family is not only family consisting of parents and siblings, right? It is also those people whom we care, love, respect like family. Even they're not blood related to us, but we treat them as family. Like some of our friends, all capital letters. Some, not all, okay? Because there are friends who can only be with us if we are rejoicing. We have a party, if they need something. But if you have a friend who will stay with you even in your lowest points in your life, treasure them. Because they're not just friends, they are family. So everyone, the sculpture is above the ceiling right here. So these are just some sacrifices of our parents, our benefactors. Number one, they give us birth, they nurture us, they provide us education, they teach us how to be a good person, they protect us from the bad people, they support our job, they support our married life, and they even support our future stability. Right. So everyone, like the core concept of